Levi's after Lucan. He's like, I got a long shirt, but I'm gonna make it. He will make it. Keep going, Lucan. Go, Levi. He's like, I'm gonna make it to that belt. Oh, keep going. He's like, it's so shiny. I want the shinies. Good boy. Uh-oh. Something caught his attention. Oh. You're almost there.
He's crawling, Mom.
Well, yeah, he's doing a good job. Just his sleeves on his shirt's too long. He's like, I can't crawl. Okay, let him have it now.
Okay.
Go get it. You're almost there. You're almost there.
Move it up a little bit backward.
Okay, let him get it, Lucan. Thank you.
I was going to lead him into the kitchen.